Hello everyone. Hello world. It's plga game. A long time ago, I promised you to make a video about how to create your own resource pack in Minecraft or a texture pack. It's quite easy to do. So today I'll tell you how to do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel with the bell. We're getting started. Enjoy watching. To begin, we follow the link in the description to the new skins website. Here we have, that is a lot of different settings. We click on Minecraft, then select the textures folder. Here we can change. That is, for example, fonts. That is, for example, we can also change. Let's say, that is, for example. That is, let's say, yes, but in this case, that is, it's better, that is, I'll change the blocks. I click on. That is, it's better to do exactly this. Let's make it a little shorter. Okay, after which let's see. I want to, well, imagine repainting a block. That is, let's say, yes, that is, here's the fill and we choose the color. Let's say I'm painting. Now I need to find colors. So now, let's say I want to paint it red. So now I just click. Here it shows me orange and I choose red. After which I paint absolutely all the blocks. I can, for example, paint. Well, I'll just paint a couple of blocks. Let's say, that is. Well, let's say, I'll paint several blocks so that I start painting them all blue. Okay, let's say we click save and choose save resources here. Click select resource pack project. Click create new project. Let's call it, for example, test pack. Now we click save. After which, we just come back here and can continue repainting blocks. Well, let's say I'll repaint. Here's a cobblestone block. That is, mine is loading for a very long time. So we click edit. Ding. Now let's say I want, that is, like this. That is, for my cobblestone to look something like this. Let's say. Now I just click save resources, and here I click the save button. Now we click the project's local button and select our test pack project. Click download. Zip, after which the archive will download. Now we open our Minecraft that we should open. While this is happening, I click here and cut our texture pack archive from here, that is, from the download folder. Next, we click open folder, open root folder, then look for the resource packs folder and paste our archive here. And then we launch Minecraft. Next, we click options, resource packs. So select our test pack, clicked on, click house again and launch the world. Now, let's say it's exactly like this. This is exactly how I wanted it to be. Let's say we also took a brick. Here it is, so it will be easier to see here. So, this is our painted brick. By the way, this will be used not only on regular blocks, but also on half slabs, that is, regular slabs, steps, and so on, that is, from this material. I hope the video will help you. If so, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel with the bell icon. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye everyone.